el Señor to all. We are here with
Little Matthew as our guest.
and we have obviously Matthew over there, Big Matthew. His name is Mateo and Matthew. But today we're gonna be cooking. Vamos a cocinar algo que yo me inventé. I make up. Still trying my sign language, in Spanish and English. It's hard, but I'm gonna try. Okay. We're gonna cook today. Well, I'm gonna say what we're gonna do, and Matthew will do it. Okay. So that's the plan for today. And little Matthew, Mateo le va a ayudar. Okay. All right. So first, we're gonna cut the onions. Okay, and I want you to cut it because we're gonna use a lot like this. Yeah. This way. Okay.
YouTube.
Just cut the peppers now. Ooh, still have seeds though. It is nice. ¿Viste cómo lo hice? Y así. Pero tengo que quitar esto. Quitarle donde está toda la semilla. And we don't waste. So just cut these. There you go. Sorry, that onion really got to me. Okay. And
I'm
then
the one that was cutting it the most.
I want you to cut this in slices like that.
Okay.
We're gonna do that with each pepper. Okay, so go ahead and pass in the yellow one, Matthew.
Thank you. And
Do you remember how I did it?
like, you don't do it fully.
Yes, I didn't do it fully.
Yes.
Let's see.
Cut it.
Good job.
And then you're a little slanted. I don't know why.
Oh,
There you
it is
go.
going a
There
little.
you go. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Good job.
Yeah.
Look at that. Give him an applause. An applause. Cutting our veggies. So now we're gonna cut our meat, which is this.
Okay.
This is like, es la carne como para steak and cheese sandwiches.
That's
No?
nice.
Okay. So we're gonna cut this and we're gonna use this board.
Okay.
Cross-contamination. So we're gonna go ahead.
Yes.
And what I'm gonna want you to do is get a few of them together.
Can I move the wood one?
No, it's okay. And then we're just gonna cut it in four, okay?
Okay.
this, like an X. Can you scoot over a little bit? Like an X. And that's it. Okay?
And that's all?
That's it.
Okay, well, it feels very, very weird.
Now we're gonna use different flavors. Vamos a usar diferentes condimentos para darle sabor. Poner un poquito de soy ginger. So,
Wait, am I gonna mix?
yes, you are gonna mix for me.
With my hands?
Yes.
Put it in. All of it?
Yes. No, not all of it.
No! Oh,
A little bit, Matthew.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Is that a little bit?
This, a little bit, that's all you need, okay? Un poquito de sesame seed oil. Solo sea un poquito.
Is that a little bit?
Poquito. Dale. A little bit more. And when you do it all over. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Is that a little bit of that one?
vamos a agregar garlic
Okay. It looks,
en
it
polvo.
smells good. A little bit, right?
No, good amount.
A little bit more. When you season something, Matthew, you gotta go like this. All over the place, not just in one spot. Okay. We're gonna save the adobo just in case it needs more flavor. So go ahead and mix it. Yes. And add a few of the onions. And go ahead and mix the onions into that.
This is just good.
So good.
Yeah. This
Go
smells
ahead.
like Iron Age though. Onion? Onion? I thought it was garlic. You're gonna eat.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Just do one round of the whole. Come on, close.
and I just pour it out with this.
Yes, put it in there.
Okay, come on. Oh, that's on the top.
Let me help you. Okay. I'll make sure it's cooking evenly. Go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and taparlo for a little bit. We're gonna use our white rice. We'll finish with our regular. And we're gonna move on to this side. And you put some oil on that.
Only one round, right? Thank you. Only one round,
Yes.
right?
Okay, that's enough. A little bit, not all of that. You're doing good. This one is ready. Has no more pink. Looks good. Tapamos los vegetales and then go ahead and because we don't want it to If you like it fully cooked, then leave it. If not, it's ready. I like it, it's ready. Así me gustan a mí que no estén muy cocinados, que estén todavía el crunch. So, vamos a dejar así.
Hey, I didn't have this. Let's have some taste.
Put some peppers right there.
Yeah, they're healthy for veggies. Can I get extra
Super
peppers?
healthy. Of course.
If we eat all of them, they might give you. They
It's
might
super
give.
strong.
Yeah. Thank you. Cause
You put a little bit more, okay? Now the delicious part, the meat.
The meat, the dead cow,
Oh.
poor dog. I mean, poor cow. I thought you said pork. Now we're gonna use the taste test. Final step. You can taste it. We just get.
You're like me. Okay, wait. Ready? You guys gotta do taste test. Do it with me?
1, 2, 3.
It's time to do the taste.
Test.
Good job. Go ahead.
Okay.
How's it taste?
How is it, Mateo?
It's super good.
Yeah? Easy to make, right, Matthew?
Yeah. Easy to make with a dead cow.
Okay. We hope you enjoyed. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Dios les bendiga. Espero que les haya gustado todo. Bye.
Adiós,